Hello, everyone. Samuel here from creativetradingsystem.com, making this video about gold. When I made the video about Bitcoin, I said next video I'm going to make it, but my son forced me to go fishing, and then I came back and so tired and went to sleep. And now I'm making it Saturday morning right now. So it doesn't matter because it's Saturday, Sunday, so no big deal, right? No trades. So, okay, let's get started then. So keep that in mind, this picture is what is happening right now. So one, two, this is Elliott wave, one, two, three, four, five. After that comes ABC correction. So let's finish this wave five. Right now we are in this wave five, but we have finished wave one, two, three, and we actually we are in this wave three. One, two are done. Wave three, then we're gonna drop for wave four, then we're gonna go to wave five and finish this whole drama to the upside. Then later on, maybe a month, a couple of weeks, a month, we're gonna be starting going towards the downside if my count is right. Right? Market can do whatever it wants to do. So let's take a look at I'm not going to go too far back. So remember, we are in this wave three. We are trying to finish up this wave three, right? So let's take a look at that. So this is the chart here. So this wave three also have five waves, which is one, two, and then three, wave four, and then see this, we are going for wave five to the upside here, right? So wave four, and then we need this little bit wave five to finish that wave three. So I made this chart that we're going to be going to the upside after wave one, two. See, these waves are all time frames again and again. So, wave one has five subwaves, and then with that first wave of those subwaves, we'll also have five waves. So this is whole drama. So don't get, too much concern about that, right? Unless you know exactly, Elliott wave. But yeah, so this is wave three, this is wave four, and then we're supposed to go for wave five. So this is how we end up on this one. Let me show you. We went up a little bit, right? From here to here, and then came back down again. Why? Because this candle here, this is NFP last week, I guess, right? So that came down, that made this thing go down back to this TL. So this is where I made another chart, 7th August, right? Before chart that now we're going to be bouncing from here, right? I forgot to mark here, but you can see I posted on the this chart here, right here, and I said that now we're going to be going. See, gold is trying to bounce from the TL. Let's see, right? So the TL is what? This TL. So this chart now started go to the upside. Now, when you look at the daily chart, we don't see many options to get in the trade, right? Daily candle is like after 24 hour, you see one candle. What the heck? So what happened in those 24 hours, right? You got to go look at this like 4 hour, 1 hour chart or like that, right? So I use my Renko candles at smaller time frames. So what I did is I made this chart saying that, okay, this is going to be bouncing, and it already bounced and it dropped. This could be wave one, two, followed by wave three. So it's going to go up. And then this is now we're talking about harmonic pattern, right? So this is a recipe for a Gertley pattern. This is nice, 61% here, 23% drop. And after that, this is like, oh, I always said, good 23% line bounce is a gold mine. So it started to bounce. I said, okay, I opened the trade here. So going for this one. So it went up a little bit. Then it came back down here. Then start to go to the upside. So this is the beauty about the system is that you make the entry, right? And if you are wrong, I come out like 90 or 95% of the time, I come out with break even, right? If I'm wrong, the price goes in my direction a little bit and then comes back if it has to come back and then hit my SL. So no hard feeling because no gain, no loss, right? So break even out, no problem. And then you reevaluate the situation and then take it from there. So I did that, and this chart, it went up, it came back, and then I got in again, and it went all the way to this level, 23, I mean 24, 31. Look at this chart. This is 6th August, and look at this. Boom, boom, 9, last Friday, right? All the way. So we went up there. I came on still on break even. It came back and it hit my SL. Then again, it started to go up, and right here I got in from both charts, from my 200 brick size and 150 brick size. So, and you see, it's obvious that this thing is going to hold 23% line right after you have a reversal candle here. So, okay, reversal is happening. It's going to go up, at least a little bit. I'll sit on a break even, no problem, right? And if it goes all the way, fine. If not, fine. So, what happened to this chart? It went all the way, hitting this area, right? And in the meantime, what I did is this is the first trade here. See, this is 23.92, just above that area. Bouncing from here, it goes up, and then this was the entry. See this arrow, little arrow? My EA took this entry, it went up, sit on a break even, comes back, hit me, they take me out. Then again, second entry, got in, went up, was coming. Says, okay, I don't know why, but some reason I closed this stupid thing. And then later on, again, I got the entry, and look, this is the entry at right. And this is from the 200 chart, and this is above 23.92. You can see nice and clean. This is the entry. EA took it all the way. 24. This is the target, 24.17, and it hit that, and that's it, right? And this is 23.96, the entry. And this is from 200-minute chart, and look at this. From 150-minute chart, almost the same entry, but it's just different charts. So, one is on my computer, the other broker is open, MT4 open on my son's computer. So they both took the entry, right? 150 and 200, almost the same, not too much difference. So this is the entry on 23.95. This takes a little bit early entry, that's all. And then this is straight all the way to the upside too. This it is 24.17, but it went even more than that, 24.20. And I told him, man, close the damn thing. So he closed a little bit late, but yeah, it was in profit. And then another entry here from 200 after, dropping, and then this is the entry. See that beautiful entry all the way to 24.26. That's another level, right? And 24.31 is there, but I said, well, let me just get out and see what happened next, right? So it went up all the way to 24.31 anyway, right? So this is the daily chart looks like now, right? So it is, see this 24.31, this is where it is. It hit and then got stopped here right now. What is going to happen now? That is the question, right? So far, so good. We're going there. We're going into like wave 1, 2. I don't know if it's going to be wave 1, 2, or, we might just end up here, the whole thing, and then we start dropping because I'll show you in a minute what's happening here. So let's see this. This is my current chart. This is what I think that it's going to be. And somewhere here, we're going to bounce, and then we might end up here at 61%. I'll show you where this level come from. This is not this, here the fib is from the weekly chart. So 161% for wave 3, which will be ending here. This black count, by the way, right? So black count wave 1 and 2, you don't see it here. Let me go and take a look, show you there from the weekly chart. That's the black count. See, this is wave 1, 2, and we are, like I said, that we were finishing wave 5 of this blue count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And once this wave 3 is finished around this area, see that 2561, that's the number, that's the area that I'm talking about, that this chart is going to be 2561. This might be ending here, and wave 3 might finish here. So need to be very careful, right? After that, it may drop for wave 4. But I still think that we're probably going to go to the upside. But again, we are all there on the top, and reversal can come anytime. So be very, very careful. So I will look for entry only above this number, 24.17, which I have written here, right? So my 200-minute chart, for example, it goes like, this one here is 24.31, it may drop a little bit. Like I said, that as long as we stay above 24.17, and then I get my entry from there, right? Above there, then like this one, like this one, then I'll take it. The beauty about it, this one, like for example, 1,000 reversal candle or 400 reversal candle. Let's take a look at the last 400 reversal. See this one, my 400 BS chart, right? This right after the reversal candle, when reversal candle finishes, what time? Look at the bottom. It's 8/9/1840. 8/9/1840. So I need an entry after 8/9/14, 1840 100 hour, right? So here, So 8 9, August 9, 14, 1840, right? So August 9, 1840, here, right here. So right here, my reversal candle ends up, and I need a long after that time. So right after a little while, I have this long entry, right? Now, what happened to this? See, if I make the entry right here after one blue candle, which is right there, it goes to almost 60 pip, right? And then my SL is right there initially, right? My entry is here and my SL is always behind it. So what happened? It goes up like here and I come and sit on a break even. The price comes back and take me out. But the idea is that right after these reversal, either from 400 or 1,000, right? Right? Reversal candle, let's say on 1,000, I find my 200 entries somewhere here. And if it's going to be bad, most of the time I'm out at break even. If not, you can imagine from here to here how many pips, 400 more. Got it? This is how it is. Right? So either 400, this one, if I make the entry from 200, looking at this entry, I would be out. Maybe here I'll be out on a break even, right? Then I take the entry from here. Maybe I'll out here, and I was out already from here, taken from here. So you take the entry, you may get lucky. You go all the way on the top. You might want to close, and 60, 70 pips, just like I close here. This one, the small trade, I close it. See this one. I made an entry from here, and I said, "What the hell with it?" It's coming to, and was wobbling here, 24, 26. So, and then I got lucky because it came back and would have hit my SL, right? So sometimes big move already happened. We are on top of where we are on top of, you're talking about all the way here, right? So this is the entry you're talking about. It's dangerous to hold, right? So I close that, but I'm going to be waiting for now. I think that it may drop a little bit. It's going to be a failed girdle. So this is a completely different story if you know about the harmonic pattern and my new charts, like failed girdle and failed butterfly. What happened when it failed and why it should fail, right? So I already know that this is going to be a failed girdle. It means it's not going to go all the way down to play out for good. It can, but 90% chances not, right? Only 10%. 90% chance that it might go into this area, 2466. And like I said, that the target for with 3 is 2561, right? You may go up all the way to the upside. This is a small one, and then you go a little bit more. The bigger one is coming like 2494, and my other 161% expansion coming for wave 3 around 2561. So not too far from here, maybe right around here, right? So that can happen. That is a possibility that I'm looking at, and I will be trading in that direction. But if reversal comes, no big deal. I will handle that very easily. Like I said, that I wait for my setup. If I don't have a setup, no trade. Simple as that. And when the setup happens, 90% of the time, even if I'm wrong, I hit my SL at break even. And if I'm good, I showed you my trades, how they are usually, like this one, like this one, like this one, right? From 23.96 to 18, right? So almost $22 all the way around. That's how it is, right? So be ready, and let's see. Like I said, it's very dangerous night right now. It's about to finish, and first we're gonna drop, and then either from this to 24.17, or maybe from 24.01, we're gonna bounce again to the upside, or maybe not. But probably from here, most likely below 24.31, we gonna go down a little bit, right? So I don't know. I don't take those trades, but my son, he is impatient like everyone else. So he goes short, and then I says, okay, learn your way, no problem. So far, he opened a new, and he doubled the account. The first week he doubled it, and the second week it says as it is there. No, I think that's like 30% more he added into that, and he's doing fine. He's doing fine. Even last week was very bad, right? Different things, a lot of ranging, a lot of big volatility, right? But it's still he came out, adding something into his account, right? Around like 25 or 30%. Not double, but his whole goal is, and I told him it's like, at least double every week. You know. So, and you can do it. You can do it with goal. Yes, you can do it. Anyway, so this is it for now. And if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system, and or if you want to learn, for example, if you want me to, it's like I have one-on-one, 10-hour course, 5-hour course, and with the 10-hour course, you master this whole trading business, and you'll be able to, not only trade forex or metals or indices or commodity and any kind of commodities, oil, this and that, futures, whatever you can open MT for. My system, my entry system is empty for, but this coaching, it is good for anything, any trade, any platform, whatever. And these studies like harmonic patterns, Elliott wave course, SNR level, trend line, they apply everywhere, right? So you can easily trade whatever you want at your will. All right, so this is it for now. And by the way, these courses are very powerful. And somebody was asking me, I don't know from where, but here are the courses. But you see on my website, on the homepage, you see these courses. And underneath that, this is harmonic pattern course, and this is Elliott wave course right there. Right. So just go there and sign up. Right. So the information you have here is unique. You're not gonna get it anywhere else. I show in these courses that how you trade when the things are not going your way. You can still trade those profitably, like failed patterns, harmonic patterns, failed Elliott wave. You expect that it's going to drop for wave four, but if it's not, then what? Then you keep going. Then you go with that, no problem, right? But there is a way to do it, and you must learn that. If not, then you know what happens, right? So this is it for now. And I wish you guys have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Enjoy and don't forget your family. Enjoy and do whatever, do it with your family. All right. So bye for now and talk to you later.